Given the function y equals 8x to the 1/3 plus 2x to the power of negative 1/2, we want to differentiate this function twice. So let's see what we have to do. Well, they are added together, these two expressions. So all we need to do is differentiate the first term, differentiate the second term, and add them together. So we'll do that in line. So let's call it the first derivative of y with respect to x. So what happens here? The exponent multiplies at the front. So we have, I'll write in full, 1/3 multiplied by 8x. And now we have to drop 1 from that exponent. We have talked about this before. 1/3 take away 1. It's convenient to look at that 1 as 3/3. So 1/3, we can do on the side here, minus 3/3, which is 1, will give us negative 2/3. So that's our new exponent here. Then we do the same with the next one. So negative 1/2 comes to the front, and you saw that I haven't even written the plus yet because I'm already going to look at this calculation at once. Negative 1/2 coming, multiplying a positive will continue to be negative. So negative 1/2 multiplied by 2x. And now what we need to do is take away 1 from that exponent. So same as before. Negative 1/2, if we want to take away 1, conveniently written as 2/2, we are going to end up with negative 3/2. So we could tidy this up a bit, which means in the next step I want to do this. I will do it in one go, but looking at 1/3 times 8, we actually have 8/3 x to the negative 2/3. And then same here, 1/2 times 2, we have 2/2, or simply 1, because the 2 cancels out. So negative 1, and 1 will blend in nicely. I don't need to write that one. So this is the first derivative of y with respect to x. Now what we need to do is differentiate it again, because the question asked us to differentiate the original function twice. So now I'm going to do the second derivative of y with respect to x, just using the notation here. So how does that go? Well, we have to multiply the 2/3 at the front, so it will be negative. Now let's try to do it in our heads. 2/3, the sign is done. 2/3 times 8/3, top by top, bottom by bottom. 2 times 8, 16. 3 times 3, 9. Now let's sort the x. We need to subtract 1 from that exponent. We can always count on that calc, rewriting the 1 as 3/3. So what do we have there? Negative 5/3. Let's do the next one. So again, I'm going to first look at the exponent. It's coming to the front. We already had a negative there, so negative 3/2 with that negative will become positive 3/2. X to the power of, we must drop 1 unit. So this time, this one could be seen as 2/2 to help us with the calc. So it would be negative 3/2 minus 2/2. And again, we have negative 5/2. So looking at this full expression now, this is this, oops, it was supposed to be in blue. This is the second derivative of the original function.